The Smart Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier gives you complete control over your air's humidity. We'll show you how to get started and how to use some of the key features. In order to get started, you'll need to fill the water tank. First, remove the water tank cover. Then, use the handle to remove the water tank from the base. Fill the tank with purified room temperature water. Once you've put the tank back in place, plug in the humidifier and turn it on. Press the mist level button to cycle between low, medium, and high mist. If you know the exact relative humidity percentage that you want, select the humidity level button and increase or decrease accordingly. The humidifier will stop misting when it reaches your desired level. If you want warm mist, simply press the warm mist button to switch between low, medium, and high heat. At night, you can press the sleep mode button for low noise levels and automatic humidity. This mode also turns off the display lights to help you sleep. If you know exactly how long you want your humidifier to run, you can also set a timer for up to 12 hours. For even greater control, be sure to watch our video on how to connect your humidifier to the free VSync app.
Keep the air in your home moisturized all day with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and aesthetically pleasing humidifier is packed with smart features that make it the perfect solution for improving the air quality in the dry areas of your home or office. Featuring a large 1-gallon water tank and adjustable steam knob, this humidifier is perfect for large areas such as workspaces, bedrooms, and other rooms up to 500 square feet. The ultrasonic cool mist technology safely moisturizes the air for up to 24 hours, allowing for more comfortable work areas and a perfect night's rest. Enjoy a comfortable environment with the included single and dual mist nozzles that dispense the exact amount of desired moisture and can be rotated 360 degrees. The automatic shutoff feature means you will never have to worry about low water levels again. Set the perfect mood and maximize your relaxation with an optional night light in blue, green, or red. This premium humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's extended 5-year warranty, so your satisfaction is guaranteed. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
With your new Levoit Smart Ultra Make sure to never put essential oils directly into the base or tank. Now that you're ready to go, we hope you will enjoy the
manufactures the most innovative and highest